Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Disconnect the PC from the network and unplug external media to stop data leakage. Create a Windows 11 recovery USB on an 8 GB stick and boot into safe mode with networking so you can run tools without most drivers. Back up only essential documents to an external drive. Avoid executables. Once done, launch Windows Defender offline from recovery media to perform an initial scan. Make sure to note any detected items so you can target them in the next step. Once the initial scan finishes, run a full offline scan with Defender at maximum depth to catch rootkits. Make sure to install Malwarebytes and run a comprehensive scan. Quarantine everything it flags. Next, boot normally and open auto runs and Task Manager to inspect startup entries and services. Disable anything unknown or unsigned, but document changes. Run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair system files. These replace corrupted binaries that malware may have altered, preparing you for final remediation. You finish by changing every account password from a clean device and enabling multi-factor authentication to block reuse. If system behavior persists, unexpected reboots, unknown outbound connections, perform a Windows 11 reset or a clean reinstall. Keep your product key and backup validated files first. Once reinstalled, install updates and drivers, then run a final full antivirus and anti-malware scan before reconnecting to networks. Troubleshooting tip: if malware returns, boot a rescue ISO.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.